This is the short story of James Thomas Ballinger, one of the many Ballinger children buried here in Parsons Cemetery. James was born on September 3rd, 1894, in Ozark County, Missouri. He was the seventh of 9 children born to John Thomas, or Tom, and Lydia Margaret Parsons Ballinger. James's father was born in Illinois, while his mother was born in Ozark County. At the time of his birth, his father was 33 and his mother was 32. His parents were married young. Lydia was 16 while his father was 17. Like many families back then, they started farming for a living and raised a large family. Over the course of Tom Ballinger's life, he would bury his wife Lydia and 6 of their 9 children. James was the first child they would lose. James passed away 2 days before his first birthday on September 1st, 1895. James is buried in Parsons Cemetery in Ozark County, Missouri. Parsons Cemetery is named after the Ballinger children's maternal grandparents, David and Elizabeth Dillander Parsons. They set the land aside as use for a cemetery in the 1870s, and Elizabeth Parsons is the first recorded burial here. Eventually, James's siblings, Cora May, Johnny, Jesse, Minnie, and his mother Lydia would all join him in this cemetery, buried here in the same row. It's unknown what happened to Lydia and Cora. Jesse drowned in a spring after falling in during a fit of epilepsy. Johnny passed away from a fever, while Minnie passed away from tuberculosis and pneumonia. The last Ballinger sibling to pass away, and the only one who isn't buried here in Parsons, was Rebecca or Becky Driscoll. Becky's cause of death is unknown, and she was buried in Trail Cemetery in Ozark County, which isn't very far from this cemetery. James's father, Tom, eventually remarried to Margaret Smith Brawley. They didn't have any children together, and when Tom passed away in 1935, he was buried here next to his first wife, Lydia, and their children. Margaret also was buried next to her first husband. James's headstone is a homemade one, made out of concrete. According to a family website, Tom and Lydia's oldest daughter, Sarah or Frances, made all of the family's homemade monuments. This stone would have been the first monument Frances made over 100 years ago. Frances would have only been 10 years old when she made this monument for her little brother, James. The only member of the Ballinger family from this story that doesn't have a homemade stone is their mother, Lydia. My family tree research showed that my husband is related to James. He is his 7th cousin, 5 times removed. Thank you for watching and keeping these stories alive. Rest in peace, James.